Hello everyone, Swami Origina Dori. And today we have a review on Samsung Galaxy A52. Game. Stream and binge on. Watch your favorite shows. Work on your gaming. And keep your playlist blasting with Galaxy A52 5G's long-lasting battery when you do need a power boost. Super fast charging will have you back up in no time. Dual SIM. SIM size nano SIM 4FF work fast. Play hard. Get in the flow and stay there with Galaxy A52 5G with a fast and reliable processor plus 5G connectivity in your pocket. You decide what your limits are or aren't. Expandable storage. Take your photos, music, podcasts, and episodes with you. Thanks to 128 GB of built-in storage. Plus room to store up to 1 TB more when you add a micro SD card. Versatile camera. Our best camera features at the best price. Shoot high-res portraits in 6:4 MP. Go wide to capture landscapes. Shoot super steady video with OIS. Or make yourself a star with a 3.2 MP front-facing camera. The price $399. If you want to know about similar models, watch this video. And also subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye bye.